Hi guys, in today's video, we are going to be rating all 10 of these slimes. How this works is we each get 5 slimes to rate, and then at the end, we're going to pick the best slime. So we're going to put them in a pile, good and bad, and all the good ones we both have to do again and see what one's the best. So let's get straight into this video.
Twist to this is all of these are store-bought slime, so they're not going to feel like fresh.
Let's get straight into the video. We're going to play rock, paper, scissors, and the winner goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Dang it.
Okay, so my first slime is green apple. It's a squishmallow slime, and let's get straight to it. I love the little head. It's so cute. None of the others have that for some reason. And every single squishmallow slime has its charm. So cute. I love the green apple. And the scent is amazing.
This one's name is Ashley, by the way. Smells so good. Comes with an Ashley charm right here.
Oh yeah. Comes with an Ashley charm.
Yeah, we get it.
This one's kind of hard.
It's kind of weird because it's like dark green and then it has purple sprinkles in it.
Yeah.
You can't really see the sprinkles.
I think I'm going to put this in the no pile.
No pile's over here.
And yes, pile's over here. It's super duper cute. I love the charm. I love the scent. It's just the feel. No pile.
Oh, this is my first one. It is an Elmer's one, and the scent is fruity slushy. So let's get this out. Oh gosh.
Oh,
okay.
Foam beads.
They're very little. Okay.
You can kind of see them in the camera. Like, here's one, here's one, here's one.
You look at how small those are.
It's going to be hard to clean.
Ooh, smells like chlorine.
Oh, it smells like Kalahari.
Oh. It's kind of rough.
Oh,
So
that got out a lot of beads.
yeah, that's kind of a no pile, cause like, wait. Oh dang, I thought it was gonna be like flirt. Ow, that actually hurts. Okay, this one goes to the no pile.
Next slime that I'm gonna do is this frog slime.
It's squishy.
The scent is kiwi.
It's Wendy. That's her name.
Kiwi scented Wendy.
Charm.
The charm is so cute. Oh gosh, where did the charm go?
That feels okay. Oh. Gems.
Oh.
What happened?
Yeah, it did not look like this before, but it was just covered in slime for quite some time.
Oh, the back turned green. They come out white. Show the back.
Here's the back.
Or did that one actually come green?
I think it came green. But it has like a discoloration to it. Ooh, the first appearance isn't good because it's like wet. I haven't played with this one for a while. It feels wet though.
It kind of sticks on your finger.
Definitely has a good moisture. I love the texture of this one. Okay. It's amazing, you guys. And look at the really cute pink sparkles.
It's premium cloud slime.
Make sure to comment down below your guys' favorite slime in this video.
It got me wet. That's kind of gross.
I definitely am going to put this in the yes pile. It is amazing.
I'm saving my best slime for last.
Same here.
That hurt my finger.
This, first yes pile.
Okay, now I have this chocolate squishmallow one. And this is... It doesn't have a name. It's called a squishmallow charm. That one does not smell good.
It smells like chemicals.
Oh, there's a little charm. It kind of looks like a hedgehog, but it's a bear, I think.
I think so too.
It's like a Halloween one because like it's orange on the back.
So cute.
This one's it does not smell good. Like it's super stretchy.
It has that chocolate scent, but it's not quite there.
If you get a big whiff, it's like this strong hand sanitizer.
Kind of smells like a chemical. If I didn't already say that.
You said it. Yeah, It feels good just the scent. So it has pros and cons. Like, it smells good. I mean, it smells bad. Feels good, but the charm is super cute too, so.
Yes pile. My next slime is Premium Cloud Slime. So it's this unicorn and it's pink and it smells amazing from what I can remember. It's cotton candy scented.
Oh, what is on it? Wait. No, it fell, I think. I don't know what it was.
So it's cotton candy scented and the unicorn is so cute. It's just wraps up in slime right now. So I'll be back and try and
it's
get
right
the
here.
slime out.
All like the Squishmallow slimes are Premium Cloud Slime, so they all feel the same.
But they all have their own texture.
Like wet or like hard.
So here is the cute charm. I love it. It's such a cute tie-dye color with some pink and some purple. That smells good. I like that.
It smells like raspberry.
Kind of does, but it's cotton candy scented is what it is trying to be.
Oh well, it still smells good.
Yeah, I think it smells kind of like strawberry mixed with like a raspberry.
It went up my nose a little.
Oh.
Feels weird on your hands. Like,
It does feel really weird, but it is also really soft at the same time.
Casey
Can you guys
has
hear this?
No, they can't.
Can you guys hear this?
Casey has one more Squishmallow slimes, and I have 2. So,
This is definitely going to go into the yes pile. There's nothing wrong with it. Feels amazing. Smells amazing. Yes pile.
oh my gosh, you always scare me. My next one is this blue raspberry scented one. It has a little penguin on it, but the designs are definitely blueberries.
That's an owl.
What did I say?
Penguin.
I was thinking owl. Anyways. Oh, okay. Oh,
Ooh.
looks like a tornado.
How does
Ew.
it smell?
Smells good. Smells good. Smells good.
Can I smell?
Oh, it is wet. Anyways, so here's the charm. Still kind of covered in slime, but it's still cute. This one is gonna go to the yes pile.
How's it feel?
Huh?
How's it feel?
Good, but it still kind of feels weird on your hands. Okay,
Hey guys, next is this coconut scented slime.
I like
and
that one the most. That's the
It's really good. Okay, so this charm, it's a cute cat squishmallow. It's amazing. Smells amazing. It's coconut. It stretches. It's the most pretty out of them all, is in my opinion,
yeah, same.
because it has blue sprinkles on white, and it's just amazing. Definitely going into the yes pile.
Okay, my next one is this really cute cow one. It is bubblegum scented. That's a new one. And this one's name is Patty. Okay. Oh, just like the last one, kind of. It smells like bubblegum. So I can't uncover this one. Like that. Pause it. This is what the charm looks like. Doesn't really stretch, but it still smells pretty good. I think it's gonna go to the no pile because it just doesn't stretch. It doesn't feel that good. So yeah.
My last and final slime, it's a Stitch themed slime.
Oh wow.
Ooh, it's glossy, guys. It's
Show the
glossy. And look at the bottom, all the charms fell down there.
It looks so ugly in camera, but it's actually like super pretty.
Yeah, it's like a perfect color.
It's like a foggy indigo, but like a good kind. So
It's
Yeah.
definitely going to the yes pile. And look how cute all these charms are.
there's little blue Stitch ones, so that's really cute.
Yeah, it's amazing. So let's go to the last slime. Definitely in the yes pile.
Okay, so my last one is Grape Jelly. It is like a clear slime kind of thing. Look at that. It has like the fake little seeds and everything.
So the really weird thing about this slime is like your fingers stop
Smells
halfway
good.
through.
It smells
does.
so good. It's still store-bought. Yeah, it's by Compound Kings. I like this.
Is it a yes or a no?
Yes, I really like this one.
Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite slime. And if you're wondering where we got them from Five Below, at least most of them. Some of them were from Amazon, so go to Five Below and Amazon.
And Walmart.
Yeah,
Like
if
this
you guys want some slimes just like ours. And I hope to see you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Comment down your favorite slime. Bye!
This one smells good.